So we have to find out a equivalent block for all for this block diagram. Equivalent single block using block diagram reduction rule. So these three blocks are eliminated by using a single block, by using rule number 2. If finite number of blocks are connected in parallel, we can add their gain. So we find out a equivalent block G3 plus G4 plus G5. Now this G2 and second block, so these two blocks are connected in a series. So now we have to apply the rule number 1. If finite number of blocks are connected in series, then we can multiply their gain. So these two blocks now reduce in a single block. Uh, so this two block are reduced in a single block. So G2 multiply by G3 plus G4 plus G5. So what we do, we multiply the gain of first block with second block. So we can multiply the gain of blocks which are connected in series. So equivalent block for these two block, this is the equivalent block. Now elimination of feedback. So now this feedback H1 can be eliminated by applying rule number 3. So here minus sign is there. So what will be the equation? G1 divided by, if feedback is minus, G1 divided by 1 plus, if feedback is minus, we have to write down 1 plus. So 1 plus G1 into H1, gain of block into feedback gain. Okay, so we find out the equivalent block for these two, means we eliminate the feedback H1, we eliminate the feedback H1, and a single equivalent block for the two blocks, or after eliminating the feedback we got this block. Okay, now these two blocks are again in series. So when the two blocks are connected in series, now again we have to apply the rule number 1. So rule number 1, now we can multiply the gain. So what is the answer? G1 into G2 in bracket G3 plus G4 plus G5 divided by 1 plus G1 H1. So what we do here, only we multiply the gain of two blocks. Okay, so by using rule number 1, if finite number of blocks are connected in series, we can multiply their gain. Now here again H2 is connected in feedback with this block. So we can eliminate the feedback by using again rule number 3. So I will show here how we eliminate the feedback. So this is a big equation. Now I have solved this in notebook also, same problem in notebook. I have solved same problem in notebook here. Okay, so this is the block. Now hold this gain is G divided by 1 plus, as feedback is minus, here we write down 1 plus into whole this block gain. Okay, whole block gain. Okay, now into H1 gain, and after solving this, denominator is cancelled and we got this equation. Okay, so in PPT directly I have written the answer. Okay, so directly answer is written. Okay, now we get a single block here. And now this block is in series with G6. is in series with G6. Now G6 just multiply with this block by using rule 1 and we find out a equivalent single block for whole block diagram reduction. This is a single block, or what we can say, this is the transfer function. So this is the transfer function for given block diagram. Okay, so this is the transfer function for given block diagram.